GALA token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day. Welcome back to another video about GALA token, guys. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the GALA token latest price update. What's the price changes over in the GALA token? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update video about GALA token, guys. Anyways, guys, now if we talk about the GALA token price in the right now situation, so the right now price of GALA token is about 0.115 USD dollar. 0.115 USD dollar, that is the right now price, guys. If you look, that price is very low. Now you know what, guys, a lot of people are messaging me on Instagram, on Telegram. That, guys, what should we do in a right now situation? Is it a good time to invest in a GALA token? Is a GALA token is a safe investment or not? So, guys, now in this video I'm talking about GALA token price prediction. What's the future of GALA token? First of all, guys, you know what, why I recommend for all of you to invest in a GALA token? Due to low price, and other side due to positive changes, guys. The GALA token price in the right now situation is very low, guys. Everybody can easily invest in a GALA token because the price is very low. Other hand, if we talk about the changes of a GALA token, so the changes is absolutely going positive. That's why, guys, I also recommend for you to invest in a GALA coin, because every hour, every day I found GALA token in a positive mood, guys. That's why, guys. Anyways, now if we look the changes of a GALA token, you can see here price chart now. That is last 1 day price chart. So from last 24 hours, the price of GALA token also dumps. You can see here, guys, from today, you can see that the price falls down. But still, guys, the changes of GALA token is positive. Why? Because in the previous time, GALA token taken a huge pump, guys. Now, guys, that is a temporary changes, and I hope, guys, that is a temporary change. After some passage of time, the changes will again become positive and you get profit, guys. So, guys, I think GALA token is safe investment. If you want to invest now, guys. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.